When you're running a web design business, your tools should help you save time, stay organized, and look professional, not create more work. In this lesson, I'll show you the essential software stack that supports your business from start to finish, whether you're freelancing solo or managing a growing agency. Let's break it down into categories. 1. Project and task management. You need a place to organize tasks, timelines, and client communication. Top picks. Notion, a flexible all-in-one workspace where you can manage projects, notes, and databases. Trello, visual boards that are great for mapping out workflows and to-do lists. ClickUp or Asana, great for more structured project tracking as your team grows. Pick one and use it daily. Clear systems build trust with clients and keep your workload stress-free. 2. Proposals, contracts, and e-signatures. Sending polished, professional documents makes you look like the real deal. Top picks. Bonsai, all-in-one tool for contracts, proposals, and invoices, great for freelancers. HelloSign or DocuSign, easy e-signature tools to get contracts signed fast. Canva or Notion, for designing clean, branded proposals if you're just starting out. Always send a proposal before a contract. Set the tone with professionalism from day one. 3. Invoicing and payments. You need to get paid quickly, securely, and without confusion. Top picks. Stripe, clean, client-friendly payment links, great for recurring invoices and subscriptions. PayPal Business, widely accepted and easy to use internationally. Wave, free invoicing and accounting software, perfect for beginners. QuickBooks, best for more advanced bookkeeping and tax prep. Send clear invoices, include due dates, and automate reminders if possible. 4. Communication. Smooth communication keeps clients happy and projects on track. Top picks. Loom, record quick walkthroughs or updates instead of long emails. Zoom, for live calls and screen shares. Slack, use for internal team chats or client channels if you're managing multiple collaborators. Calendly, let clients book meetings with you without back-and-forth emails. Set communication boundaries early so you're not answering messages at midnight. 5. File sharing and collaboration. You'll constantly be sharing drafts, logos, images, and site assets. Top picks. Google Drive, reliable, widely used, and great for folders and comments. Dropbox, excellent for large files and synced backups. Figma, for collaborative design and prototyping, especially when working with teams or clients in real time. Create a standard folder structure for every project so you stay organized. Keep it simple. You don't need to use every tool out there. Start with what you need now and scale as your business grows. Here's a simple starter stack. Notion or Trello for project management. Bonsai or HelloSign for contracts. Stripe or Wave for payments. Loom and Calendly for communication. Google Drive and Figma for collaboration. Set it up once, and you'll spend way less time chasing files, rewriting emails, or wondering where things stand. In the next lesson, we'll tackle one of the most common questions. How do you build a standout portfolio even if you don't have any clients yet? Let's keep building.